Welcome to my next vlog, Seaman Troubleshooter Vlogs. Today, I'm going to show the expansion valve, how to identify in open position and order air handling unit and condition evaporator cooling will produce cooling. It's final in a concentration. Welcome to my next vlog. Now I'm going to check the opening position of expansion valve from the air handling unit, air condition. So first, collect first the refrigerant. Close this liquid line valve. Close the discharge valve. And close this suction valve. After collected refrigerant, now to proceed with the opening expansion valve, necessary to close this return valve. It's going to suction from compressor, and this supply valve necessary also to close to make sure there is no pressure from our evaporator. Now this vlog tells about air conditioning plant from air handling unit expansion valve. This is how it looks. The expansion valve is from inside. So of course this one replaced already a new O-ring. See, there is O-ring. And now we put it's a gasket, and also here we put gasket. A new gasket. Now this expansion valve mostly they encountered the evaporator unable to produce cooling. There is already a refrigerant flow because we have a solenoid valve driven by 220 volts. There is already a supply flow going here from the expansion valve, but the question is why it will not produce cooling. So most of the time this is the question, because inside, see, this is the valve. When you take a look, examine it carefully. You see here, there is clearance. There is clearance. This valve, once it is closed, so exactly it cannot produce cooling. So make sure it's open. See, closer. So make sure it's open. So once it's open, it will flow the refrigerant on the capillary tube and going inside to evaporator. It will produce cooling. So once you insert, there's guide. So there is guide. The other one, also gasket. Also, it's a new O-ring, and it's also adjusted already. So, a little bit open in order there is a flow of refrigerants. So, see, once this one is closing, so it cannot produce cooling. So this is how the operation. So put back. There is guide. There is guide. This one, make sure it is clean. It is clean, so it can tight and no leakage. The other expansion valve already inserted. This is the way how you insert. You insert first the upper side, and after you insert here. See, there is guide. There is guide. You insert. So the guide, make sure in position. Now it's tight. It's tight from side by side. Tight. So that's the tightness. There is also clearance here, because inside it's already closed. After opening all valves, this is our reading from air supply. Temperature 23 degrees Celsius from air handling unit. This is our air handling unit. You can see the return valve have moisture. It means this air condition working normally. And from our supply air temperature going to respective cabin, that's positive 18 degrees Celsius. Thank you for watching.